morning, guys. So we're on our way to the beach. We stopped by to get chicken at this chicken place. There goes Melky's, and there goes Catherine's girl. Say hi. That's Caroline, and that's Hennessy, and that's Catherine, Vicky's sister. That's Michael. Talk to you guys later.
Que no nos pase nada malo.
No nos pase nada malo.
Guárdanos.
Guárdanos.
Que no choquemos contra ningún carro.
No choquemos contra ningún carro.
Líbranos, Señor.
Líbranos, Señor.
De cada choque que hagamos.
De cada choque que hagamos.
Y cuando regresemos,
It's raining and they're getting wet. Poor guys.
Vamos a pararnos en un lugar y vamos a esperar que llueva.
Que pare de llover. Sería.
Déjame grabar esto. Esto es lo que se llama un día de playa dañado.
Uy, Siria, qué miedo. Pero mira ahorita para allá.
baja.
Guys, this was a water park, but they shut it down because apparently a kid like drowned or something.
Solo quedan ruinas.
I wish, like, look at this. I love water parks. ¡Ay!
Lo trago.
¡Mami, no! Míralo ahí. We made it to the beach, y'all. We made it to the beach. So pretty.
Ven, Siria, entra conmigo.
Está fría. Uy, está fría, sí.
Ay, qué rico.
Se cayó. Ten cuidado.
Siria, yo te que me va a chupar para adentro. ¡Esto me chupa!
Ay, gente, tú me acabas de jugar a gente, no puedes.
¡Me agarré! ¡Algo me tocó! ¡Manita!
¡Ay!
¡Algo me tocó en la pierna!
Oh, my mom's gonna get wet. Ay, se me olvidó la cosita. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god, that was a hard one. Oh my god! These waves are no joke.
Mira, está por aquí, por ahí. Ponle la cámara.
Espérate.
We're digging up Maltese. Hot dog and bologna, chicken and macaroni, chilling with my homie.
De frente a mí, de frente a mí.
Espérate, no va.
So here we are.
Mami,
We're
mami, cómprame uno de esos, mami. Mami, por favor.
Tío,
No,
hace la cabeza.
no,
Tío, hace la cabeza.
Mickey is all covered up.
Hey guys. I'm here in the beach.
Here we go. We did pretty good.
We're here in the beach.
Dile habla, tío.
It didn't take too long, but we made a mistake. We were supposed to dig up a hole first and then like put Mickey's in, you know, and dig him in, but we accidentally did the opposite. We put him in and we started all over. Alrighty, Mickey's gonna get up. Párate. Get up. Alrighty guys, so we just left the beach. We only stayed there for like 2 hours. That's all you need. And plus it was like a little annoying because the waves were so strong, so it's like you couldn't really enjoy it. The girls went in, they didn't even care, but Mickey didn't want to get wet. Mickey, say hi. I don't even think you like said hi to the camera, to the vlog. And the girls driving now. Yes, he's driving. And yeah, the girls got in and stuff. Like I barely got in. I was like in the edge, and then that wave came, and I was just nope, not it. This is not it. So I didn't go back in. After that, I just left. But anyway, it was still nice. It was still nice to, you know, go to the beach, get some sun, some sand. I don't like the beach. I like the pools, but they don't have public pools here. They only have a water park. But I don't like the beaches. I like the pool. Anyway, yeah, we're heading back now. We're about 45 minutes away from the house. The beach is about 45 minutes from the house. Yeah. So yeah. Hey guys. So I'm gonna end the vlog here. The beach was nice. It was just like, I don't like the beach, honestly. I don't like the beach. I'm a pool girl. Now take me to a pool and you never see me out of the water. But to the beach, I just went because, you know, I wanted to go out somewhere, but honestly, I don't like the beach. So anyway, we got home. We're exhausted. For some reason, when you go to the beach, it's like, it wears you out. Like, it's crazy. Like the sun, the sand, I don't know what it is. I still had a good time though, with Mickey's sisters, his nieces, and Mickey himself. Yeah, hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to give it a like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Thanks for watching. Bye. God bless you. Happy birthday. Carolina.